Hello everyone, my name is Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning law firm located in Needham, Massachusetts, and I'm happy to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about why is it so hard to create an estate plan. But before we get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today, any questions about estate planning, any questions about probate, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free. Again, that website is estateplanmeeting.com. Go to that website, pick the time that works best for you, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. So today's topic is, why is it so hard to create an estate plan? And it's probably something that's been on most of your to-do list for a long period of time. I'm sure a lot of you have made it your goal to get your estate plan done, every year. I'm sure that it's something that you really wanted to do and you said, this year is going to be different. I'm going to definitely take the time to make sure I get all my estate planning done. And you're probably like a lot of other people that it's never gotten done. And it's a really difficult thing to do. And the reason why I know this is because I was in your position as well. There was a time where, I was an attorney and I still didn't have my estate planning done. I'm not going to tell you when that happened, but there was a time when I didn't have my estate plan done either. And I think the reason why that people don't have or never complete their estate plan, or why it's so difficult to complete your estate plan, is that there is a lack of urgency. Is that I think people always have a good intention to get it done. It's always on the top of their to-do list, but there's other things that get in the way. Sometimes it's just the daily life. All our activities. We're very busy with our kids. This time we're busy with homeschooling our kids and doing other things that, take precedence over getting our estate plan done. There could be a vacation. There could be other things that just become a priority. So even though the estate planning is on the top of your list, it always gets pushed down by other things. So that's probably one of the main reasons why it's so difficult to create your estate plan, is because of the lack of urgency. If there's other things that you need to get done, like say you're starting your own business and you want to form like a new business entity, there's a deadline for that. When you need to get that done. There's a deadline that you need to get that accomplished by. So therefore, there's a sense of urgency. So with estate planning, there usually isn't a sense of urgency until it's too late. That being, say you were to get sick, and then you need to some of the things that come in that protect you during an estate plan, or sometimes urgency is created by something suddenly happens to someone that's close to you, a family member or a close friend. If something were to happen to them, then all of a sudden estate planning becomes more urgent, because you can see how delicate life is, how life can change very quickly, how you really can't account for the unexpected. So that sense of urgency is then created, and then that pushes you to get your estate plan done. So that's really the reason why it's so difficult to get your estate plan done, is that there is a lack of urgency. But I would like to say that that estate planning is very important. It's something that everybody should have. Everybody should take the time to create an estate plan, because you never know what can happen in your life, and you want to make sure that yourself and your family is protected. And I'm more than happy to help you with your estate plan. But if you have someone else that that can help you create it, then go with them. I mean, I think it's a very important thing to get done. So really, I really just want you to take the time to get it done. Whether it's using me or someone else, just take that time, create your estate plan, and then finally cross this off your list. So that's all I have for you today. Once again, my name is Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me about estate planning, you can subscribe to my channel. If you know someone that could benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. And if you have a question or comment, please leave it in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer that for you. Again, if you want to talk with me for free, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com. Again, that website is estateplanmeeting.com. Go there, you'll see my schedule. Pick the time that's most convenient for you, and I'd be more than happy to talk to you about estate planning, probate, or whatever questions that you have. So once again, I'm Scott Aubrey, owner of Aubrey Law. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you soon.